Let me get it straight. You are creating all of your content, doing all the research, and you're doing all the posting. That is absolutely insane. With all the different things out there is a way to automate your content creation process so you can get more done, have more free time, and do more high income activities in your business. So today, I want to show you how you can make 100 pieces of content in 5 minutes using AI. So make sure you stay for the rest of the video. It's going to be something real crazy at the end. Also, my name is Rock, CEO of Libres. And if you like everything online business, AI, and automation, make sure you subscribe, tap the bell so you can get notified first. So with this framework, I'm going to show you how you're going to make 100 viral posts in 5 minutes. Creating content isn't hard, but sometimes our research and our implementation take a lot longer. The value add here is saving you a ton of time so you can leverage what's already being created. Switching it so you match your style, and then you post it, watch the followers roll in. So let's go to the computer so I can show you how it works. All right, so first step, you need to go to ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT 4.0 at the time of this video. It's still free and it is the newest model of ChatGPT. You're gonna have to use a very specific prompt and then tailor it to your niche and to your business. So this works great if you have maybe an ebook or some previously written content from someone else, but if you don't and you just want to pull from ChatGPT itself, you can do that also. So I'm gonna create a specific prompt down below. So the prompt I used, I said, you are a social media manager that's great at creating long form content. I need you to create a motivational speech that will focus on the following emotions: loneliness, sadness, pain, frustration, and hopelessness. And then I'm going to let it create my prompt. Then I let it go ahead and create the response. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because I want the AI to create a foundation before we use our next part. This is the data, this is the memory that it's going to use so that the next part can seem more seamless, more realistic. So now that we're done, it created an entire speech for me. So now I'm going to give it the next prompt. So the next part, I'm telling it to create 100 viral tweet posts that are about 1 to 2 sentences long based on the speech you just wrote. And now I'm telling it to create a CSV file when we're done. Once we hit the enter button, it created our tweets and it added our CSV file here. I'm going to go ahead and click the download. Make sure in your prompt when you're doing this, tell it to not add emojis or hashtags because it is going to try to sneak those in, and we want just a regular text-based post. So here are the list of tweets. Now we can literally add these all as 100 pieces of separate content. So do you know those Twitter style videos you see that have like 5 seconds and they're really going viral right now, like Instagram and YouTube? That's what we're going to create with these tweets, and I'm going to show you how to do that next. So next up, we're going to go to Canva. I'm going to go here and I'm going to type in Reel. Then I'm going to click Instagram Reel, and then I'm just going to pick one of these templates to start. So now that I'm in my video, first thing you want to do is turn this from 1.5 to like maybe about 4 or 5 seconds, okay? And then we're going to pretty much delete all the other assets from here. Then I want to go to design. I'm going to type in the word tweet. And as you can see from the left, you have tons of examples, tons of different styles, so that you can have a good starting base. So let's take this one, the first one. Now let's say you wanted to change some stuff. You want like the background, swap this picture out. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, so if you want to swap out the back, let's say you want to do maybe a cityscape, I would just type that in here. Cool. And then you can just drag it add to the back of the video. You see the background change. You want to swap the image out. If you want to delete that, if you want to swap the image out, you have of course upload your own. Okay, so now I want to take this and make multiple and add everything that we put in the CSV file into this so we can have multiple posts. So first we're going to go down to apps on the left hand side and then go to bulk create, where it says you have an option to upload data manually or click a CSV or some type of file. And you know, we're going to add our CSV file that we just added. Now that the CSV file is connected, we're going to put connect data, going to be added here. Then we're going to continue. Then we're going to create 98 designs. And as you can see, we have a ton. And as you can see, we have a bunch of different pieces of content, a bunch of different tweets. We want to scroll in. We can say frustration fuels determination and perseverance. See, which is not the good one. Our responses define us more than our struggles. Channel frustration into achieving your goals. So these are just all of the ones that we developed on the back end and added them to Canva. So now all you have to do is add them to a Google Drive one at a time and then just post them. So next we're going to go to share, and we're going to make sure we download these as separate files. If not, it's going to loop them into one bigger file. We want them separate so we can pick and choose what we want to upload. And here it is, all of the videos that we just created. Boom. So now it's like that. You have over 100 pieces of content to post on YouTube Shorts, Instagram, Facebook, wherever you want to put your short form video content, you can put it here. I hope that was able to help. Make sure you drop a comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.